Hey there, good golly, Miss Molly. I'm back again as the month of January 2020 rolls along because we'll be in December before you know it. This is definitely the hurry up and go and get things done year for sure. I want to talk about the importance of eating slowly, the importance of chewing your food well, especially on the vegan path. You know, the more we slow down our chewing and savor the food that we eat, the better we digest it. By virtue of the fact that, we have teeth in our mouth and we do not have teeth in our stomach. So, it goes without saying that the more we can chew well and break food down, the easier job the stomach has to take it to the next step and synergize and get the energy and the nutrients out of the food. So, by virtue of that, we make our bodies operate more efficiently and reap the benefits of greater digestion, greater energy. We derive better synergy from the food we eat. We get the maximum value out of it. And especially when you line it up with healthy vegan food, especially if it's cruciferous or raw salads or raw vegetables or vegetable based or fruit based, the better we chew that, the more we reap the great benefits that are inherent in that way of eating. So it's a all for one situation, when we include chewing our food well and we give ourselves the best chance to not only have better digestion and hydration. We get the benefits of the hydration that happens with the water we drink, along with the inherent water in the food and moisture that's in the food. We also hi Nikki, how are you? I don't know if you just started. I'm talking about the importance of chewing your food well, and the benefits of that, and how important it is on a healthy vegan path. Lisa, hey, thank you. Anyways, just to wrap it all up though, just to talk about the importance of this and remind ourselves of the fact that, we don't have teeth in our stomach. And when you contemplate that, and understand the connection our chewing has to our stomach's ability to break down the food, and really ponder that, you see that we really are behooved to pause and really savor our meals more and more. The more we, bring a sense of grace to our food and gratitude to our meal, and breathe and not multitask, while we eat, and really taste the different seasonings that are in our food, the different flavors that are in our food, and have a sense of appreciation for that. And we really are paid handsomely, beautifully, and can see the benefits immediately. It's a immediate gratification situation. So that's my little talk here for Sunday, to stress and really inspire that notion of chewing our food well and savoring our meals. So thanks for watching, and I wish us all a rejuvenating and success, love-filled, and magical week ahead. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.